So let's go ahead and unbox the 4-pack Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2. And I don't think it's any different from the original or the single Galaxy SmartTag 2. It's just probably the number that's going to be different. But let's unbox and see what it looks like inside the box. And yeah, so what to expect in case you get the 4-pack. So those stickers are kind of hard to remove, so I'm just going to cut them off. There we go. I'm seeing 4 QR codes at the back. Those should represent the 4 different smart tags inside. There you go. So that's what that looks like. The only other thing in there is the manual, sort of. Yeah. So the only 2 colors, white and black, and we have all of them here. And of course we have one SIM ejector tool for activating the battery. Simple as that. All right. So that's what the 4-pack Galaxy SmartTag 2 looks like. Thanks for watching and good luck.